Hi there! I'm here to tell you about our jewelry pouches with a snap fastener. These pouches are perfectly designed for jewelry and other small precious items. The pouches are made of organic cotton. All of them are branded with Westpac's own eco-friendly logo. You can order the bags with your own logo print. We offer different print colors, such as metallic, gold and silver. You can also choose our matte foil print like black or white. This gives a more worn look. The pouches are sized so they fit perfectly into our jewelry boxes. The small pouch will fit any box that is 65 by 65 millimeters. The large pouch will fit boxes that are 86 by 86 millimeters. Visit our online store for more information about these pouches. Here you can also order a free sample. Thank you for watching.